This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Do a bit of a sound check here. Audio looks good. We don't have lo-fi music. I have a deep voice. Sounds like I'm tired. Go back to change screen. Oh, we had it. It just wasn't enabled. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Everything looks good. We're set up. New screen. New day. Ready for some super scalping. Scalper way to some green. Open up my connection. I had a great open yesterday. I traded for the first couple of minutes from 6 o'clock on that. I think it was a huge gap up. I don't even remember anymore. And I think I traded it down a little bit. Yeah, I just traded this first little period here to the downside. Got 382 in one account, and I think you can see it. Oh, you don't see it on this screen. Good morning, James. Good morning, OFT. Got 382 last night, trading just like a couple of minutes. Just before supper, I ran down. I traded from 6 o'clock to like 6:06 or something. 382 on this account, minus 20 on this account. James. Good morning. Nice to see you. So, we're going to continue our scalping methods. You know what? Let me just see 3 charts. 3 charts is what? 3 charts is that. I'm not going to rush. I got them. That's 3 charts. Split screen. I don't know why this is all the way in the middle of the chart. There must be a reason. But I don't know what it was, so we're going to fix it. That's what, it's the message here. And if we figure out what the reason was, well, then we'll move them back. Click OK. There we go. That's where they should be. What Chip said, why don't I trade that on an account? So yeah, I'm going to. Enough trading the opening drive. Let's give it an account to trade. A dedicated account. There's none really that I want to dedicate here, so let me see Bulenox. Don't want to open up that many accounts, so I want to get a new one. I think I have some new Bulenox. Oh, look at that. Okay. I got a Bulenox. Just started. Renewed. It's as fresh as an egg out of a chicken's ass. So we're going to do 2 lots and see what happens. What's the worst case scenario? James, what's the worst case scenario? Strategies. Opening drive. Lot size 2. Period 8. 23. What else do I need to do? Nothing. Enabled. And apply. Looks good. Okay, well, we got to load Oh, I know what I gotta do. I want to make that the default, so I don't have to save it again. Edit strategy, template, markets are opened already. Save as default. Okay. I got some quick, I didn't even analyze the charts yet, but I got some quick, most important thing, you know, is that the opening drive is running and that you can see it on the screen. We're going to keep that there. In the meantime, got a couple other strategies I want to load, which are this one and this one. These are just trackers. They're nothing special. Okay, enable them both. I want to enable Crude, so we'll be back to our opening drive in just a second. Crude, Clever Crude, where are you, Clever Crude? Clever Crude is also just tracking the trades. No trades yet in Crude. Get back to the opening drive. And what do we say? We say sweep on next. Reggie's up. Reflex Algo. Reflex Algo has the price channel? Oh no, has the band. Reflex Algo. Is the Reflex Algo up? Boop. Your voice is on and off. I don't know. It looks good here, James. I'll check it on my phone. Shouldn't be on and off. Everything on my audio is looking good. Let me pop up my phone. I don't have my earbuds though, but I will check it. It's possible. In the meantime, well, my phone is, well, look how much I was down in strategies. I have to rename it. Template, load, morning, template, save as default. The morning is the default. And that one's on sim 102. No, we're not going to. Can we enable it? Yeah, I think we can. I don't know. I'm going to enable it now. So that one. No, it didn't go short. We're just short on. That mic's looking good there. We're just short on the opening drive plate. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sounds good, James. Over here, you're going to hear an echo. Sounds good, James. Over here, you can hear an echo. Close the volume. And look at the opening drive go. I'm going to take a piece off at 40 points. So 40 points is 61. If we can get down to 61, I'm good with 40 points for one by limit. I'm going to put that in there. Okay, now that's in Bulenox. Bulenox is short. Ah, bugger. Bulenox is short. Let me see what we are. Oh, shit. I just missed a heck of an entry. Oh, Sparky, leave me alone. It's not candy day all the time. Maybe I should do a 3-lot. Take one off at 20. I'm going to sell one more. I got it at 72. We're gonna go lower. No, I don't know what price I got it at. That's a piece off. That was 40 points, right? Yeah. Next, I think I sold at I won 20 on the extra. Let me go see what the extra was. I can tell you. Let's just go to my executions. At 67. So if I won 20, I need 47 on that extra one. That's close enough. There it is at 67 anyways. And my original is in at 201. The original entry. 201. So I don't know, for first day, 200 bucks. That's not bad, no? I'm taking it. 207, first day. First day trading, opening drive on an account. Thank you, Woodchip. Woodchip told me to take it on a real account. Stop trading it on Sim. Okay, we stopped trading it on Sim. Watch it crush it for 250 points. Opening drive is finished, guys. So we don't need to refer to it anymore. Now we just watch the reflex algo and we scalp our way into some dollars. So I'm going to deal with the account that's red. Which account is that? Let's change this. Oh boy, this is a 250K account. Where's my risk plan? My new risk plan. Patang. Got patanged. Getting messages, but they don't show up. I don't know why. My whole thing is screwed up. I checked my phone. It's your end, not my end. My stream is working good. Okay, let's confirm it. Let's do more confirmations. I'm sure it's working good, but just for the sake of... Where are my earbuds? Just for the sake of... I haven't really missed a trade yet, so don't feel bad. James, I don't know what you're talking about. I hear myself loud and clear. And I got an entry. Don't have my glasses on. I lost my glasses and all that. I'll take it because, you see, that's what we call scalping. James, you made me lose my fucking glasses. How is that even possible? Oh, they're on my head. What a moron. Okay. I don't hear. James, my voice isn't on and off, and I cannot hear you. All wrong. My butt is in the stream. It's coming in loud and clear. There we go. Okay, so let's continue with our scalping. I got a new screen. I love it. Beautiful design. The only thing is I'm on the right side. I'm not a right side kind of a guy. I like being on the left side. I mean, I've had a good enough day already. I should almost quit. 500, 600, 700, 750 bucks. Oh, 50 bucks in the topstep account. So now let me go see what we've done. We broke the highs of the Asian session. We're above yesterday's high. No kidding. That's super bullish. I didn't even know that. I didn't even pay attention to that. We were above VWAP for most of the open. Wow, look at the fucking opening drive is killing it. Maybe I shouldn't have taken the 200 points. It would be up 160 points now. I did a back test on the opening drive on the weekend. It's posted in the live section if anybody's interested in seeing that. Crude didn't take a trade. Okay, so what are we just gonna wick the London session lows? Did we do it? Yeah, we pretty much did. Maybe making another run for it, or now we're going to start hitting higher. So 1 minute is short. The algo is short. So we're short bias. We're looking for a short entry. I can take a 2-lot here. I'm not going to risk more than a 2-lot on this. I'm going to try for 7 to 10 points. Click on the buy bid. That's more than 7 to 10 points. And let's try for 21 points to 30, 32. Oh, I had my, oh, that's close to 30 points. So that's good. Oh, shit, Lamard. Shit, Lamard. We just beeped. I don't know. That's a big one. Let me close my mic.
Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more.
Hey, listen what song is playing. I like this song. I'm still hanging on. I got a little more room. I need a down candle. I got 7 more points and I'm out. Oh well. Oh well. It's only one trade. Good morning, everyone. Joker Trades. Joker Trades is in the house. Now the day starts to get good. No, day's already good. Damn, damn, damn.
Futures flow.
Instead of getting in early, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get a better price and kind of get in late. Come on. That's a better price. No, geez, by the time I clicked. That's a 3 lot. Okay, let's let it go. The 195, $100. We cover. Let's try to get 70 on this last piece. 50, 58, 60. Yeah, I'm good enough with that. Another fantastic scalp. We've got to increase our size, guys, because now I'm super disciplined and I'm just knocking it out of the park. Okay, let's get up some people here. Let's go listen to a few streams. Somebody's short. Uh-oh. There's a short trade somewhere. Ah, okay, I know where it is. It is here. It's the algo. The algo is short. Let's go on to the algo. There we go. The algo is short. At the end of this bar, it's going to put in the take profit lines and the stop loss lines. I forgot what they were called. So many settings to change. Let me check my audio settings. On Windows loves to play with my audio settings. Should be 88. Ta-da! Windows didn't change it. Excellent. I'll take, since the algo is short, I'll take a 2 lot. I'm getting a better price. The stop is quite far away, though. I'm going to go check in on OFT in a minute in his room, see what's going on there. Ooh, not sure I'm crazy about this trade. I think the size is a little larger than I wanted it to be. Come on, algo. Make me proud. You're usually able to turn it around, even when we get so close to the stop. There we go. I'm going to take one out. Ah, you didn't let me take one out. Come on, fuck off. I want to get one out, reduce the risk. Let's go back down. No, wrong way, wrong way. There's still 40 seconds on this damn candle. Let's go. Sell it off. Sell it off. Let's take a chance. Let's take a chance that the algo doesn't let me down. Come on, get down there, get down there. Go down, go down, go down. At the next candle, whatever it closes, I'm out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have my finger on the close button. Tabernouche, that was an expensive trade, Mr. Algo. That's okay. We'll take a break after a loss. I was saying, what was the damage on that trade? I'm back to where I started my day on that account. But that's disappointing because the algo's been doing so well. Right now, my charts are not in agreement, so I'm not trading. I'm only trading when my charts are in agreement. I have 2 shorts, 1 long, and another short. Maybe I could take a short trade here. 3 short and 1 the algo. The algo is long, but you know what? The algo being long could just be a retrace in a downtrend, and that happens very often. I'm not a loser. Okay, took the L on that one. Is Joker talking? Where's Joker? Wow, good thing I got out. Look at it rip higher. Oh, there he is. Ah, that's so funny. The algo is long. Well, how am I not going to take it? How am I not going to take it? If it took money from me on the first trade, hopefully it'll give me money now on the next trade. Hopefully is the keyword. We're over VWAP. We got 2 consecutive closes over VWAP, so that's a little encouraging for this trade. Most everything is indicating long right now. The algo is long. I would say kind of the 1 minute chart is long because we're over VWAP. Let's just get some continuation. Let's not get some selling. Right now the sellers look like they're temporarily in control for this minute. But when do the buyers come back in? I'll let you know. Here they are. Here they are. Here they are. I'm gonna add. Nah, that was short-lived. That was so short-lived. Oh, they're back again. They're back again. Come on. Come on. You know you can do it. Let's get to 96. No, wrong way. You know that's the wrong way. I have a huge position. Come on, I had some green there. I wanted to lighten up the load. I have one more chance. One more chance on this trade. The buyers have to come in right now. on, let's see some buying. Let's see some buying. We got to get up to 68 bid. 68 bid. 60, 62, 61. You guys can do it. You almost got there, and then you just got knocked down very fast. Oh, but the buyers came back fast. It's like a bit of a tug of war here. There's the 68 bid. I'm committed to this trade. 64. I need 14 points. A little more than 14 points. This can be a big one if it goes against me. Shit, and it's going the wrong way again. And the algo is out. So I think I got to get out. That's it. Okay, we'll keep working it. Take a break. That's it. Now it's gonna go. It does its two closes above the. Okay, enough with this. I don't have to confirm sound anymore. I know my sound is working. Let's wait for a good entry, an A+ setup. 10 o'clock, we'll sit out. Everything is at the 200 and maybe we'll get chopped for a while. Which period, James? For the 200 MA, 1 minute, 5 minute, daily. Most likely, since you're saying it'll get chopped for a while, I'm assuming you're talking a short term, 1 minute or 5 minute. I don't have the 200 EMA up. I don't have any EMAs up actually. Wow, that's 2 losses, the 5 minute. Okay, cool. That's 2 losses on for the algo. I don't know what that icon means. You post it up every now and then. It's a new one there. I guess it's a YouTube one. Is that laughing? Is that I'm screaming? I don't know what that icon is. Well, we're in a bit of a chop zone right here now also. I do have a higher swing high and a higher swing low in the 1 minute. The algo is long. The algo is long, but these peckers are short. The algo is long, the 1 minute is long, view up is right there. Are we going to make a run for the US session lows? Come on, let's see some continuation to the downside. I want to see 2 more fucking candles. Screw you, man. Don't go the other way. Come on, I took out a good piece. I wanted to take out another good piece. Mange la mar, that's going to be like a break-even trade. Okay, again, they can't all be winners, eh? We just got to hit the one that will be a winner. Continue going. No. Fucking chop. chop is getting me, but now, you know what? It all converted long. It all converted long, I think. I'm committed. We need to get an extension candle. A nice one. That's enough for that. Now wait for the next setup. In case you're wondering about my size, guys, this account can go anywhere from 6 to 27 contracts is allowed. So 6 is the minimum. So when I was trading 4 lots and 3 lots, I was just warming up. And technically I should be trading 11 lots. And that allows me for an ad. So now I'm at, that's a nice extension. Now I'm at 9 or 8. No, come on. Stop wicking me out here. Let's go, let's go. Let's get up to 59. That's another 100. Okay, I worked away a little bit of the trade there. Well, let's see if this is the push. Oh, look at that. See, I forgot for a minute there that we're trading above the previous day's high, previous day's close. Yeah, now they just might rip this higher. They might just rip this higher. I definitely have to be going with the trend, and the trend is right now to the upside. Maybe we push down to 1986 there, 19086 at the VWAP. I did good scalping until damn algo decided to fall apart. Shit, it was doing so well in this volatility. Talking about volatility, it's 40 points. So I'm going to add here, it's 40 points, average range on the 1 minute candles. You guys, you're not playing nice. You're not playing nice. Come on, let's rip it higher now. Ah, you fuckers. Okay, took me again. I tried for a scalp, tried to see if we'd get some momentum higher. I like the setup over here, even on the 1 minute though. We're gonna catch one. I know we are. It's just a matter of time. It's always just a matter of time. Just gotta keep my eyes on the charts. Don't get distracted. Don't play with the settings. Oh, Pecker. Pecker. I got a little bit of a bearish tone forming now. But we're above VWAP, so it could be temporary. Maybe after we trade down to VWAP. We can see a bounce. I could see us bouncing off VWAP. Doesn't mean it'll happen, but I could see us bouncing off VWAP. I can also see a complete momentum shift to the downside. But I hate trading around VWAP, so I think I'm going to sit this one out for now. And we'll just wait. I'm thinking I'd like to get into a short if possible, but it's above VWAP. If I take it, I might regret it. I should take it for a 2 lot, but I'm under trading. Hey, remember this minimum size on this account is a 6 lot. Ooh, it keeps dipping lower and then shooting higher. Traded down to 90 and got up to 106. The VWAP is holding. Well, 10 o'clock reversal. I like to keep in mind an open mind for that one. Oop, we got a trade. Shit damn. I'm not crazy about this trade. I am not crazy about this trade. I'll add it 92. But let's see a little bit of a momentum candle to the downside. That'll make me... it's so fast. Cancel that. By the time you enter in your bids, price has changed. There we go. At least I was able to get a piece out at a decent price. Now let's get 20 points from here. 75. Let's get down to 55. Come on, you peckers. You know you can do it. Let's hold under VWAP and let the sellers come in. Let's get down to 55. Don't make my second half be a loser again. Oh, you buggers. I'm not getting anywhere. Come on, this is like just I'm treading water here. Bounce off VWAP, eh? We didn't get, yeah, we did get 2 consecutive closes above VWAP. I'm thinking we could still sell. We could still sell lower. Until we get 2 consecutive closes above. That's my rule. Indicate a trend change. I use 2 candles because it just prevents me from getting whipsawed too easy. When it goes above and below and above and below, it happens too many times. So a lot harder to get 2 candles to close. Okay, I'll take that $100. You know what's going to happen? The one time I'm going to take the $100, it's going to pay $800. That's okay. We're trading on VWAP and the day is long. We're going to get in 13 seconds, probably a second consecutive close above VWAP. The algo is short. Yeah, no, nothing is in agreement. I got short and long and short and long and short and long and short and long. We got to break away from VWAP. It's not a place to trade right here for me. I know this, and I used to force it to my peril. Just going to remain patient. Price will move away, as we're doing right now, pretty much. And then we get a bit of a retrace and a continuation. Chipped away about another $100 there. I'm a good scalper. I know I can do it as long as I just stick to the rules. Keep chugging away. Keep taking base hits when they give it to me. And most importantly, don't let the market take money. Try to get out as quick as possible. You know what? Really, I got super hurt from the algo today. But the algo will pay me, if not today, it'll pay me tomorrow, the next day. I can take a bit of a break because we don't have a setup for a while. that was not true. We did get a setup. And I want to be in it. Let's see if we get a little bit of a, let's see if we get a little bit of a dumpathon here down to the US session lows. Come on, we can do it. Come on, market, poop your pants. Maybe I'll just, oh shit, sell, sell. Okay, come on, let's get down to 54. I'm still hoping for the dump down to US session lows. I want to see us get down to 54 on the ask. Going the wrong way. Now it comes up a little bit. 61 on the ask. You're going to do it again. The painful trade. Not nice. Today the markets are not being nice to me. They're not in sync with the way I code. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta get out of that one. That was another big trade that just, wow, should have gone in my favor. Huh. Okay. Just trying to challenge me, that's all. Nothing I've done yet is impulsive. Everything's following the plan. And we got above VWAP. 3 orange lines. 2 of them didn't pan out. Very discouraging. Going for a ride. Okay, take care, James. Back at the VWAP, we do have a lower swing high. And the algo is going to go short. So how much early did I get in? I got in by 30 seconds early. Let's see if it pays off or not. Another experiment on the early entries. Most of the time, though, you see, it doesn't pay off. And this was a bad trade. This one takes points off my daily report card score. Because this is an early entry and the algo isn't going to go short. And now I'm kind of screwed. We're at 300. And it most likely is going to keep ripping higher. Got to get out. Got to get out and wait for a setup. Okay. Well, we relearned the same lesson. Don't get in early. What time is 10:22? And the damn VWAP is making a mess out of everything. Shit. I'm going to take a short here because I do have an entry. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Well, at least I lost less there. Oh, look at that. The algo is short. So the algo is going to get hurt twice. 3 times in a row. I'm going to put my faith in the algo. I'm going to put my faith in the algo. Okay, so we got a short. We got short, 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 and short. We got short everywhere. That's good. I'm on the right side of things. Now let's just hope it's a big dump. I took a 5 lot off because I want to chip away. And it's been taken from me on the second piece. So, you know what I got to do? I got to mark this price. The take profit line is 19,046. Okay, well, I'm going to add when I get sell signals on the short-term trade, short-term chart, because I have a longer-term trade going on with the algo. I mean, longer term. With a 40 point range in the 1 minute candles, 1 minute, on the 1 minute chart. It may not be too long of a trade, but still. I never seen the algo get hurt this bad, seriously. This is a first. I've seen the algo lose, but not in such a way. Okay, I'm chipping away here. I mean, I lightened my load. I fixed my price. Let's see if we can get down to 2480, 19080. That would be good. We have a little bit of buying now, but that doesn't mean anything. That could change in a heartbeat. That's what the markets do. They change direction. Right now it's up though. Up. I'll add a 2 lot if I get an indication that sellers may have come back in. And I hope if they do come back in, they're going to stick around. At least for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Right now they look like they're trying. But they're weak. They're weak. The buyers are stronger. The buyers are back in. I wouldn't even say we're having a battle here. The buyers are winning pretty damn easy. What do we got? 19,124. Oh, pecker, eh? And it's not going to get there on this candle, and then it's going to cause me to wait a full candle, huh? No, it does. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. Anyways, you know what? I think I still managed to eke out a little bit of a gain on that. Wow, 255 down on the algo. Well, the way I code things, the read on the market is not really spectacular today. I'm glad to have those two accounts up that I'm not going to touch anymore. The Bulenox account is the opening drive play. And I'll just keep working this account that I'm trading today and try to get it nothing. It is what it is. It gives me what it gives me. Yeah, I saw the two of them. I got hit on them also. Okay, chipped away $100 there. Every $100 counts, right? If we get up to 19,180, we may see a little bit of a resistance because it is a swing high. So it is possible we poke through it by about 5 points and then rotate lower. We'll watch that. NQ likes to do that to people. Always likes to poke through just a little bit. If you've noticed. $40. Oh, I was going to add a 2-lot at 28 at the low 30s. Okay, that's the low 30s. Give me my 2-lot. It's about a 12-point risk. Very, very minimal trade. It's a 50% retrace trade. I don't mind taking it. And if I get the finger on the close in case it gets stopped out, because that's how I'm going to close out. Very close to getting stopped out. But if yeah, that's it. Got stopped out. And then the momentum switches. Little buggers. Okay, long at 31, and I'm 31.25, so that's good. Let's get up to 38. Finger on the close. No, get over 31 bid. Let's see 31 bid, and then I want to see 38 bid. 31, 38 bid. Lightened up a little bit because I'm not crazy about it. I'll add, there we go, there we go. If we show some strength. Now back down again. It's very yo-yo-y today. Very yo-yo-y today. You know what that tells me? We're going back up. That really tells me we're going back up. Gonna try and take another 7 points off this, so 45. Before it gets taken out. 45, we're at 41, 38, 40, 38, 40, 42. Let me just put it in. 44, sell limit 3. I wouldn't even have time. It's going to go, and then by the time I click it, I'll probably get 39 on the offer. See, I didn't even see it, and I got taken out. Okay, Oh, and as he does that, I just noticed my main system should be long. So let me get a better price. It's long at 40. I'm long at 35. I love a good price like that. I got in at a good discount. Okay, now we run. Lighten up the risk a little bit. I'm just going to chip away. That's what I'm good at. I'm a good chipper. I'm a good chipper. Scalper. I chip away. Oh, look at that. A beautiful 40. Let's go to 52. Let's go to 52. And we'll take off a 2-lot. 52. That's a 2-lot. Next stop, 64. Let's go to 64. We can do it. We're getting there. 56. 54, 55, 56. I'll take 57. Good enough. That was a nice chunk I took off. I'm cold. I need a sweater. I need to reheat my coffee, but we're away from VWAP and we got higher swing lows, higher swing highs. The algo is long. Let me see on this chart over here how we've been doing. Short. Long, nothing. Long. Some decent trades on that chart. 15-minute, and anything we can glean from the 15-minute. Except the fact that we broke the London lows on the NQ, but we didn't do it on the ES. So NQ is relatively weaker. I have a little time. Let's look. This could be a little bit of a bull flag, maybe. We'll see. The daily, I can't make anything out of this chart. Let's extend this. I don't even know what this zone is. I'll have to go look. Start time, end time. Let's make it 04. No, I didn't take a chart rate off the daily. Really, you're just going to give me a friggin' 2-lot? What am I in at? 39, 49, that's 47. Let me take a 1-lot off. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Like I said, everything helps, right? Let me get another 7 points out of this. How about at 59, I take the next piece out? 55, 56, and there we go out. Okay, that was another 50 bucks. Unfortunately, guys, for me, I swung the bat hard on my A+ trades. I think there were 5 of them. And I committed to all 5 of them, and they all lost. That's why I'm in the red on this account. Okay, making a commitment here again. My stop is at 28. Let's hope markets get bullish and go straight to the moon. That's 10%. Let me chip away. Come on. 59. Let's get up to 65. We can get up to 65. 65, 66. Seriously. I think we can do it with ease. This is the candle. I don't want to just take $100. I mean, $100 is good, but 55, 56. Yeah, it's back at break even. We could be struggling here at the top. Could be struggling here at the top. Well, I know I'm going to hate the fact that I get out because so often I do that. And then it just takes off, but I like when trades go right away. And this one didn't go right away. So I'm going to take a break, guys. Nothing wrong with taking a break, right? Take a break. Come back. Fresh mind, fresh coffee, a sweater because I'm cold. And I'll be back in 2 minutes. How do we have such high volatility? We didn't get a long trade. Hey, how do we have such high volatility, but we don't have anything moving, sort of? Well, 19,180 was a resistance, like I said about 10 minutes ago. Expect possible resistance at the 19,180 because that's just what the markets do. Algo's going to go short again against everything else. I mean, everything else is kind of long and strong. Rising swing lows, rising swing highs. Wait for something a little clearer. I don't see anything right now. 23-point average range on the 1-minute candles. Yeah. Let's get a little bit of a retrace. Hopefully I can catch something here. Let's see if I can get 7 points out of this. 87, let's get to 94. Trying to get up there. Not anymore. Looking for 94 on my first one. I'll add around 80, I think. 83, 82, 81, 80. And hopefully we go back up now before we stop me out. Anything can happen. Anything is possible. Okay, I got out of most of it, reduced the risk, and now let's go, let it go to, what did I say, 87 plus 7 is 3 is 94. 87, I want to see 94 on the offer. I tried to catch a big one, but Try to catch a big fish. 89. Let's see 90. Come on. First we gotta get, we can't get to 94 without seeing 90. 87. Well, if it goes, it's gonna go fast. Maybe I'll even just sell half. 86. 85, 82, going the wrong way again. Let's get over 87. 80, this is where I added. And sell ask, stop out. This one didn't work out, but it didn't cost me any money. My fancy footwork was able to save me from losing money on that trade. I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice the algo is short. And the algo's gonna have its first friggin' winner while I didn't even notice. I would have fucking had it. How was that? How incredible is that all the time, eh? You take fucking all of them, and the one you miss is the one that pays. Yeah, that's just how it works. So we got a lower swing low, but a higher swing high. A little bit of expansion to the upside. So which one was the fake out? They're all fake outs. If you're looking at short-term swings, they're all fake outs. That's all the market does. Seek and destroy. Find a swing high, take it out by a few points, come back down. Find the recent swing high, take it out by a few points, come back lower. It's rare that we stair step up strongly or stair step up down strongly. You got to expect that kind of activity. Now I got a little bit of a disagreement among my charts, so I guess I'm waiting again, huh? Let's hope we see a decent run over here. Just want to get 2 bars on this Renko chart over here. I don't even have a reference point for 2 bars. Gotta squeeze it in here. Not sure. Not sure. Well, we're still above VWAP, so if we are going to trade back down into VWAP, I have some room to run. Hey, wood chip. Is it chop? It is chop. The way my systems are coded, we're really struggling. Especially on my A+ setups. Trying to catch a move down here, but I might have to stop out pretty damn quickly, which seems to be the case. I'm sick. Just woke up. That's it. Got to cover. Come on, take me out. Take me out. I'm sick. Yeah, poor guy. I was sick for so long. You heard me coughing. Thank God my cough is gone, but Why did it last for a long time? But then, just as my cough was going away, I got sick again, and hopefully you have what I have the second time around, because I think it lasted 2 days. I used a little Dristan, and then I was good to go. I felt feverish one day, next day I felt good. I mean, good. My nose is still blocked, you can hear, but it's hardly, it's more of just an inconvenience. More of just an inconvenience. Okay, I recognize this pattern here. This looks like it wants to go up. I'm struggling on this account today. Seriously, seriously. Okay, gotta get out. Gotta get out. Now I'm back to my low water mark of the day. And I do have a short over there, and I can take up to 27 contracts. So I'm going to go for a 14 lot. Oh, look at that. It was 2 of these trades that fucked me. These are the main trades. I'm going for the big one. I can go as much as 27. Let's go, you pecker. Get down to the view up. Okay, this is the one. This is going to be the account buster, the account maker. I'm going to add again if I get a short trigger. What's crazy is I was trading the algo all day today. 5 friggin' trades. All losers. And I hit them all with, you know, decent size. All losers. Oh, there we go. That's the ad. Come on. Come on, you fucker. That seller's come in. Yeah. There we go. Really? How can I not be in the green? I don't get it. What shitty price do I have? Not going. This needs to go right away. 17, 10 bid. I'm 12. That's pretty bad. Why do I have a 12? A 12. Went down to 10 for a fucking friggin' half a second. I'll take that. I'll take that. Still struggling. See what the real target is on this one. Let's do F8. I guess the target would be there. So the target is all the way down at 19,066. Interesting. Interesting, interesting. But you got VWAP in the way. I'm going to remove this because we don't need it anymore. Remove. We're just going to remember 19,066 is the target. But we have a potential for a bounce. Because we're on VWAP, and VWAP likes to do that. You see why I use bands, though? Even though VWAP acts as support or resistance, it always pokes through a little bit. You can't use it as a concrete line in the sand. It's an area. Should always add a half an inch to the top and a half an inch to the bottom. That's what I kind of do mentally. That's my range. Okay, well, I made another stand there on that trade there. And I'm shorting right on VWAP. I'm a glutton for punishment, maybe. I want to get 7 points. I want to get down to 89 bid. Let's go. 89 bid. There's 88, 87, 86. Very good. So I got a little bit more than I wanted. Now it's 81. There's 81. I'll take a 2-lot off. Bid at 80. Okay, there we go. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. The next one is at 73. 7-point increments, 76, 77. I need my points, so I'm going to hold on. I'm not going to get out early this time. 75. 81. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. But we might see a dump. We might see an aggressive bar down. What do we call it? A dump-a-lump. 81, 78, 76, 75. Okay, a little bit early. I said I wouldn't, but I did. And this one I'll let go and we'll see where it goes to. Maybe we can go take out US session lows without me even doing anything about it. Maybe. Anything can happen. It would be a lower probability event, but it's possible. Or if I can get $150 on the one lot, 75 points. So let's say right down here. Let's put in a buy limit for there. There we go. If we can get down there before I see an exit triggered. Oh, I'm sorry. I like to take him. I'm sorry. I like to take him. I hate giving back. I'm still major down though on this account. I've recovered about 1,000 on it. I think it's just so sad that this trade here triggered above VWAP because that's a significant trade for me, and so it made me nervous. And then I got caught sleeping, and I missed my algo trade. The one winner of the day. This one right here, the short. I don't know, I might have even been in the bathroom at the time. Covered at 150. It was a 30-point winner. I would have taken it for a 10-lot, so that would have been 600. Anyways, it is what it is. We keep scalping. We'll keep chipping away. Oh my God, I'm listening to some guy. He sounds so stupid. I should be out already. See, breaking a rule. I'm trying to let it go at least 2 bars just in case. And so close. Come on. Okay, gotta get out. Oops. Gotta get out. Okay, that cost me 200. Pray. You gotta pray for Justin Bieber, apparently. People say he's not doing well. How do we know he's not doing well? Could just be sensationalism in the media. Could be. Could not be, but it could be. Hey, Woodchip, what do you think of my new layout, my new screen? I'm on the right side. I hate right side layouts. Maybe I'll flip it over and put myself on the left side. I think the trader should always be on the left side. Maybe that's why I lost today. Okay, we are under VWAP. I likey. Belt filmer. 1, 2, 3. 1 minute triggered in and got stopped out, but stopped out weirdly. I'm going to take this 56, 68. Hell, I got even better than 68 short. Okay. My stop is at 80, 12 points. And I will add if we can get an entry, and then I hope this one runs. Got to keep trying. Like in baseball, 9 innings, you keep going up at bats. You never know which inning is the one that you're going to score the 9 runs in. I am on my, and it's not now because it stopped me out again. Woo! Not very accurate today. Not very accurate today. Maybe I should just stop fighting it and quit for the day and come back tomorrow. I am being stubborn, but I am taking legitimate trades, so I'm quiet because I'm wondering, can I get it wrong on every swing at a bat right here, really? Seriously? Like, I want to hit one already. 80, 24, 60, 56. Come on, let's get down to 56. I'll take that until the trade. There go the trade. Of course, the dump. The little mini dump. Okay, so 56. What am I getting back in at 59? Let me break the low. There's support here on the Renko charts at 56. I'm short at 59. I'll take the 200. So that was about 400 bucks I chopped off. I got to get 400 bucks 2-3 times and I'm golden. I'm waiting for an A+ trade. I swear to God, all my A+ trades. Whew. Not all of them. I can't be unfair. The orange lines, it's 50%, but the algo is, I think, 25%. I think it took 4 trades since 9:30 and won one. It just so happened to be. I'm kind of disappointed that I missed that one. 44. I can try and short at 56 again if we get up there. That's kind of like a little swing low that we formed about 7 minutes ago. So not a surprise if we wick it and then trade higher a little bit. Markets like to do that. Or do we break lower with momentum? Yeah, we're breaking lower. I still got to try and get a better price if I want to tag along on this. Try to eke out another. See, my math is off. It's 44, not 34. I'm going to take the 60 because I made a mistake. Actually, I was supposed to be short at 44, not 34. That was an error. It's too bad. It's too bad. It's too bad because that's 20 points there, right there. On a 7 lot, that's 14 times 20. That would have been 280 bucks over a stupid mistake. Okay, now I'm short at 47, a much better price. 24.56 is my stop. With my finger on the close button. Not gonna mess around. That's another chip away for about 70 bucks. $70 is my wheelhouse. Ooh, let me take this trade though. 33, I'm short at 37. I love it. This one should go down to 27. No, 26. 26. Come on, give me 26. 30. This is kind of my A+ trade right here. The one I've been kind of waiting for. It's not the greatest of the greatest of the greatest, so let's say it's just an A. So maybe I'll take 90 bucks on this. There we go. How we doing? I don't want to look. How's that? I'm not showing my red. I got the 2 greens, Apex from last night, Bulenox. Oh, it's true. I forgot to tell what chip. What chip? The Bulenox. That's the opening drive. I'm trading the opening drive. I gave it an account. One of my 50K accounts renewed. So I'm applying it on that chart. From now on, the Bulenox. Let me tell you what account number it is. We can all track it together. It's Bulenox account number 23. So Bulenox 23 is going to be trading the opening drive at 2 lots. See how it goes. See if it can pass the account. I'm just going to dedicate that account to opening drive. That's it. From here on in. From here to eternity. How am I doing? I don't know. I'm nursing an $1,100 loss. Probably it's much more than that, probably because of commissions. Oh, I'm looking at the screen. It's 1,500. I've been down as much as 2,700, and my main trades, all my main trades went against me. All my big trades. All my algo trades lost except for this one over here, which you can see on the screen. Let me change the cursor. This one is the only algo trade that won, and it's the only algo trade that I was distracted and missed. One red, rest green, lost a little patience because got penalty from Ninja again. Oh, yeah. That's funny. What do you think of my new screen with my box on the right side? I'm a left side guy, but 2 minutes. You like this, really? I like it, but I think I'm going to flip it and put myself on the left side. I think the trader should be on the left side. Okay, for a 5 lot, I think I can take a very low risk entry over here. It'll very likely will get stopped out. So I got my finger on the close button, but I may just get lucky and pull a 9 to 1 here. So I'm going to watch it. Put my fingers on. There we go. Out. Okay, so that looks like that was $65. More modern. Side doesn't matter. Well, I'm on the right side today and I'm losing, so we'll try tomorrow the left side and see how it goes. Not an easy day to trade, even though there's 22 points of range in the 1 minute candles. We haven't broken out of the IB high. We're kind of sucking on VWAP. I mean, right now we got lower swing highs, lower swing lows, so I'm bearish. Algo is going to change to bullish. I like your new room. I was thinking that the 13 monitors with the 2 cable phones was maybe too much. What? I still have that. I still have that image somewhere. Let me look on the open. There you go. I was here. It's the opening image. It's my thumbnail. A lot of panic still in the markets. Yeah, probably. I think people are jittery. I don't hear my music. I think it's louder online than it is. There, I'll put it loud. I came into the markets today, do you know with what attitude? Not invincibleness, which is dangerous, but just the attitude that as long as I follow the rules, I'm a super scalper. I'm very good at what I do, as long as I follow the rules. So I came in, not too loud in stream. I came in with the intention to follow my rules, and so far I have. I got caught one time. I don't remember where it was, but I know I said I got caught. I didn't take my stop. I allowed it to go a few more points, and I took my stop. I didn't DCA into it or anything. But yeah, I've realized over the last 3 weeks, you know, that I forced myself to follow the rules, and yeah, I broke them a little bit, like I did today. Every day a little bit. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to be perfect, but it's hard. You know, the markets move fast, and sometimes, like today, I shorted at 34. I saw it was 34. I looked closely, it was 44. So I don't count that as a mistake. That's a you know, that's let's call them intentional mistakes or breaks of discipline. That's not a break of discipline. That's just an error. Errors are going to happen. But aside from errors, you know, what do they call them? Involuntary errors, or in sports there's a word for them. Anyways, whatever. Aside from those errors, unplanned errors, as long as I follow the rules, I can really chip my way into profits, you know, at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points at a time. So I'm very confident. I'm just going to continue doing it. I broker was also going to motion because I couldn't move orders again. Huh. Yeah, that's annoying. Well, let's see if I can get a prayer to price. Come here. Go up, you pecker. Go up, go up, go up. I have my finger on the sell button. Shit, that was fast. That was fast. Didn't give me a chance. 7. Almost. I still have a chance. That's it. It's out. Tried to get in a short at a good price, but it didn't work out. Algo, if the algo can close bearish, it'll go long. Calling a turn. Is the algo going to try and call a double bottom here, or a rounded bottom? It's possible. All the traders will lose their patience. That's why we need to have seat belts on. OBS disconnected. OBS reconnected. No, not yet. What does OBS disconnect? Reconnection. I haven't lost my patience today. Like I said, I just made uncalculated. I think that's the word, an uncalculated error. But I'm really just trying to take my setups, just sitting here waiting. I see a setup, scalp, take a shot, try to make a hit. I fairly and correctly, and not incorrectly, and correctly traded larger size on my main setups. Just unfortunately, I caught I caught 5 winners. Sorry, I caught 5 losers out of 7 trades. One of the winners I missed because I wasn't around, so that's the 6th trade. And then the 7th trade that I caught the winner on was the short over here on the 1 minute, but it was above VWAP, so it kind of made me nervous. I wasn't eager about it. So the day's not, the cards aren't falling well today. Let's put it that way. I'm getting ace king, but what's falling on the table is like jack 6-3, so it's not really helping me much. Think of it that way. Put it into poker terms. You know, ace king, but I'm putting the money into the pot. I'm getting people to bet, so there's more money to pay me, but I'm just not getting the follow through with the cards. Max daily loss. So I've accepted that you can lose that amount, and what happens in the market happens. You've protected yourself from yourself. That is how I said. Yeah, exactly. Everything has a PDLL. Tomorrow I'm going to start to trade my PA accounts. They have very tight PDLLs, and I'm deciding if I want to break it up into 2 trades or just 1 trade and swing the bet. Yeah, exactly. And tomorrow you can make it back in 1 day. I know I can make this amount back in 1 day if the market's going my favor. Hey, I'm curious. I didn't even see what the opening drive did in the end. I took out 20 points, 40 points, and 60 points. How much did it make actually? It shorted at, let's get the data box up. Opening drive today shorted at 97 and covered at, didn't make that much, 97, 35. So made 62 points, but its high water mark, what is this? This is short at 197, and the low is 987. So 197, that's 210 points. It was up 210 points today. See how crazy that is? It was up 210 points and only made 60. It gave back 140 points. That's the weakness of it. I gotta try and figure out something to not give back so much. Gap fill will happen in my opinion. Yeah, looks like it. Let's go to the 15-minute. 18,819. Well, we do have the previous day's high. That's going to be a fade trade for sure. I'll lock that in as a statement at 1128. Bounce off 18,874. So we're getting some really strong momentum through the initial balance low. Bearish for value. 4 bearish fair value gaps in a row consecutively. Gap fill will happen. Trading long from there. Oh no, only futures trading. Longs from there. Time to eat. See ya. CFTC. À demain, which means tomorrow in French. Another 100. It's going to be a long day of 100s. I have to make a lot of $100 bills. $36. Is that 36? I need larger numbers. 46, 48. So we didn't get a long trade, and now we can potentially get a short trade. We will see what the market gives us. Hey! No! Pecker. Okay. So we're running higher. Let's see over here where we had a couple of trades. It's like the second trade is working today all the time. The first trade fakes you out, the second trade works. We're coming up to the initial balance low. A lot of people like to do the IB retest. Oh, well, a lot of people. Trades by Matt, 85. His stop would be at 95. Maybe 05 if he goes for 20 points. And he'd be going for 10 points. So I'll short a 2-lot if I can. 78, 77, 76. Cancel because it kind of went there. I want to get the full price. It's a bullish fair value gap. I would guess he'd be going for 75. I didn't see 75 bid yet, but if you had a limit order and you might have gotten filled because you don't see all the prices on the on Ninja. I have a short, so I'm going to see if I can get in. Of course, I don't get filled right away. Oh, there we go, filled. 77. I'm short at 80. 3 points better. 3 points is 3 points. $30 less to lose if it does lose. First stop, 70 on the offer. I can feel myself losing a little patience and wanting to hit this a little harder, and that's not good. I think I just gotta look at the chart like this and just cover that way. That's a solid short trade right there. I'm not sure how I can take it for a larger size. But today's a fake you out kind of a day, but that's a solid trade. I'm going to keep it on a tight leash though. 31 is my max. And the fact that it didn't go right away already tells me I gotta lighten up. They could be playing games. It's too bad because I thought it was a solid trade. See, they had to take out the high of the previous candle. Like I said, they're making it hard on me today. I mean, you know, I'm chipping away, but they're making it hard on me today. It's not like insta follow through. I like insta follow through. I'm greedy. Who doesn't like insta follow through, right? Everybody, that's the dream. Insta follow through as soon as you enter the trade. Okay, I got another entry. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Take it for a 6 lot. 60 is the entry. 61, 62, 65. Fill me at 65. I got 5 points better. I always like getting a discount, getting a better price. Buy the bid for 2. Lowered my risk. Let's get under 60. 60, 61 bid, 63 bid, 59, 53. Beautiful. Covered another piece. Now let's get into the 40s, and I'll just cover my last piece and wait for the next trade again. Just keep chipping away. Is that a song? Oh, look who is short. See? I need guys, I'm putting a damn audio alert on the algo. The algo is short. The algo is short. And the algo is targeting 835. $838, 37, 34. There we go. The algo is out. Really? That was only worth $200. Okay, you know what? Not only am I coding in an audio alert into the algo, I'm doing it right now because I'm frustrated. I missed it again. So, you guys will have to watch some coding. It's not a lot of coding, but you're going to have to watch some coding. Yes, I opened up the editor. It's nice win, man. Nice win. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. The editor should be opened. That really sucks. There we go. That took a really long time. First I need to see this one here. I got to get the audio alert. I think I'm going to use the same audio alert. Should I? Nah, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, let's go there and let's find I hope there's not too much on this. Oh, there's a lot. Okay, let's just open it up. You're not going to get to see it all. I have to find out where the entries are. Enter long. Okay, when we enter long, we are going to have an audio alert. Drawing. No, it's not drawing. It's miscellaneous. Play sound. Choose the file. I think quack. Ding dong. Let's go with ding dong. You guys aren't going to hear it anyways, but ding dong is good. Copy every enter. Long limit. That's Trump again. Draw horizontal line. Long stop. Draw horizontal line. Okay, there's no entry there. Exit long. Nope. Exit long. Nope. Nope. Short. Nope. Enter short. Yes. Paste. And I think that's it. I think we're done. I think we're done. That's how you add a sound. Exit, exit, text, compile. We're good to go. We're coming up to the previous day's high. Fade trade. I hate them though. I hate counter trend trades. I'll just take it for a 2-lot or something. Did I click compile? Yes, I did. Excuse me? Excuse me? I don't have the previous day's high, low, and close on this chart. That means it got erased because it's supposed to be there. No, it is there. That's weird. Auto scale, visible. Apply. Okay, 18,873, 18,898. Okay, explain to me this. Are you not the high? Are you a green line that I drew in for some other reason? Let's remove the visibility. Click apply. No, you are the high. Apply. Okay, well then I don't understand why it's not showing here on this chart. So when you get a bug like that, very simple. Prior open, high, low, close, remove. Go back here. Type in the letter P and reapply to your chart. Prior, open, high, day, low. Apply. Okay, and it still didn't apply it. Now that is interesting. That is interesting. I don't know why that's happening. I'll have to troubleshoot that later. Unless anyone has an explanation as to why this is happening. Let's go all the way back. Let's go back to 6 o'clock and see if we can see. I'm only loading. I'm not loading enough data. I'm only data to load. I got to load 4 days. It's not going far. It's not going back enough. That's why. That's why. So the fade trade off the previous day's low. Huh? We went through 72, we went to 69, and then we went 70. We went 30 points higher. That was a pretty guaranteed trade, in my opinion. I don't know if I would have taken it, though. I don't know if I would have taken it, though, because it's a counter trend trade. But man, oh man, that trade works well. Okay, so we have an audible alert now on the reflex algo. Interesting. I can't wait to hear it. I forgot what it was. I think I did quack quack. I think I did ducks. We're coming up to 12 o'clock. I guess I'm going to have to accept the loss on this one account, right? No choice. But I did good today. I can't complain. Most important thing is that I followed my rules. Oh, coming back down now, the second touch on the previous day's high. I missed my entry. I had a couple entries I could have taken. Story of the day, the winning trades are missed. My fault. I know I gotta focus. If I want to take trades, I gotta focus. That actually probably is going to be something that's going to go on my daily report card. Focus, because I have a tendency to, you know, start doing other stuff and see what's going on other channels. Probably not the greatest habit to have. NQ just broke below previous day's low, closed below it actually even. So now let's see if we can get two closes, consecutive closes on the 1 minute candle. It's looking a little weaker than it was pretty much for the entire day, because you know when we're trading above the previous day's high, I'm bullish. And this is some serious weakness here. OFT says we're going to head for the previous day's close. That's going to be another fade trade, actually. Let's take a little trade here and see if we can make some. Another $100 chipped away. That's what I'm doing, just chipping away to hundreds. Every trade, $100 bill in my favor. Getting there, getting there, getting there. I'm still waiting for a goddamn A+ trade that I can take. Didn't really get one where everything is in agreement. Doesn't mean it didn't happen. Just means that I wasn't focused enough to catch it, because I was daydreaming or had my attention somewhere else. Okay, the fill 37 and I'm filled at 41, 4 points better. Let's get down to 30 bid. 30 bid, come on, 30 bid, 34, 33. Oh, that was nice. That was 150. I like it, I like it. You see, that's my wheelhouse. Just keep chipping away. So what the thing is, it's those other trades that have wider stops. They're the A+ trades, but they have wider stops, and I'm taking them for larger size. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take them for smaller size now. I shouldn't lose $600 on those trades, on the A+ trades, and then make 150 on my scalps. I'm going to, just for the fun, at a one lot, I'm going to take a fade trade over here at the previous close. Usually when I do it, I'm always wrong. It always works out when I don't take it. I'm only going to risk 15 points, so 23, that's 08. I'm even putting in my stop. I don't want to lose more than that. There we go. Sell stop. So what, that's 13, that's 16 points, and let's see if I can get about 10, 12 points on this. 10, 12 points, whatever. 23, let's get up to 35. 30 on the offer. Well, it's gone now. $29, $24. Wow, it's pretty volatile around this level. We might just take a quick dump, or the buyers will jump in strong. So my prediction is we're either going to go up or we're going to go down. Now, if you look at the, I'm out, and I'll tell you why. If you look at the bounce trade on the previous day's high, it touched and it immediately bounced off. Here we're touched, and it's like 3 minutes later, and we're still hanging around. So not crazy about it. I like the trades that work out right away. Getting some short trade signals here, but not going to take him. Again, same reason. We're right on previous day's close. I think we break lower. I really think we break lower. That's 4 minutes already. So OFT called it. Gap fill will happen, in my opinion, at 11:28. If there was a way I can highlight a chat, can I? There's channel activity, pin message. Hey, I could pin message. Let's try it. Let's see what that does. I never even did that. So gap fill will happen. Oh no, come on. Pin message. I don't know. Is that positive? Message pinned. Look at that. That's so cool. That's so cool. Let's give him credit for the call. Let's give him credit for that call. Wow, there were some good trades. I like that. That was funny. Is that the fake out? They make it look like they don't want to bounce off the previous day's close. They go a little bit below it. They close below it. Everyone says that's it. We're going short, and then they change directions and go higher. How high are they going to go? Not really too high because you got the previous day's high right there. So we're in one of those trouble zones. Now this is a zone where you most likely get a short. I get a short signal, not you. I use you. When I say you, I mean me. Get a short signal, lose. Get a long signal, lose. So let's just stay away. Let's see if we can get a bit of a continuation here. Still just trying to chip away. Chip away. This is a little bit less of a chip, 50 bucks. That's a $50 bill. I'll take it. Because that's counter trend. That was a long in a short. That was a long in a short environment. Moving higher, so we did get a bounce off the well, Chippa. We're gonna get a trade. I'll go in for a 4 lot. Not gonna really do much in a 4 lot. I'm not sure if I want to commit to this much more than that. I'm in at 51. I should be in at 52. I got a worse price. That sucks. Maybe I just go for another $50 bill here. Oh, okay. I can get a better price now. Now I'm at 53 and a quarter. That's a better price. And if I get rid of that, now my average price is 55. Now let's see if we can get down to 40. That's my target. 40, that'll be 15 points times 8. That'll be 120 bucks. Let's get down to 40. Buy limit, 36 and a quarter. Okay, a little bit lower even. 20 points. 20 points times 8 is 160 bucks. I'd be happy with that. Come on, let's get there. We're so close. There we go, baby. There we go. Getting there, chipping away. A chip in a chair, you know what they say in poker. That's all you need. Wait for the next one. Again, it's such a shame. Oh, look, we might get a long trade. Wow, that's interesting in the algo, but everything is so short. How can I take it? So what time did we start breaking lower? No, not at 10, eh? Nursing a loser. So let's see if this bar closes blue on the algo. Do you have the algo up? I think you do. Oops, that was a mistake. Let's open up the algo. Open up the algo for you guys to see if this candle turns blue. It's going to go long. What to do, what to do. Do I make a stand in a bearish run in a declining market with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lower swing highs? And it's a large candle. It's already an extension candle. Am I going to hate myself? 25 seconds still. Let's see where the candle closes. Last time I got in early and that was my mistake. I got in early. I think that's when I got trapped. That was a stupid mistake. No early, no late. It's in my... Wow, look where it's going to go long, though. Right under the previous day's high. Not a good location. Not a great location. 31 points, 73. I want to get at least 10 points better, and I'll take it for a 3 lot. So it's long at 70. Where is it? Hey, wait. Oh, it's true. It's not long. It's not nothing. It doesn't trade after 12 o'clock. Anyways, technically it's long at 70. I'll take a 3 lot at the low 60s. There we go. 63. If I can pull out a $50, $60 bill out of this. Maybe I'll try for a $100 bill. I'll watch. Not working in my favor. It's a good thing it was a small trade. But not surprising, since we are trading right up into we're trading right up into the previous day's high. Yeah, I'm going for it though. I'm going for it. Come on, let's get up to 44. 44 will be good for me. 37, 38. I want to see 44. Let's go. You can get there. 42. Oh, so close. 42, 42, 44. Add again. Really? I'm just adding. Trying to de-risk on the trade. Come on, push it higher. There you go. There you go. Trying to de-risk on the trade. Sell market, sell market. I have a 3 lot. That was my original position. I don't even know how I'm doing, but 114, 117, I'll take it. And I think I made 150 on that. Okay, another 150. Woo! This is hard work. This is hard work. This is like being a ditch digger today. Markets are making me work for my money. Making me use my skills. But I love to see that it's going well, because I understand why I'm down. I'm down because I took heavy trades in my A+ setups, and 5 out of 7 lost today, unfortunately. And I missed the 6th one, and the 7th one that I did get in was just above VWAP, so I held it like a chicken. So given all that, and my scalping has almost gotten me back to even, I'm golden. The only thing that I now have to say to myself, it's 12:06. I should probably quit. I know that sometimes I struggle at 12 o'clock. I get a lot of false signals. Like right now, I just got a trade. I just got a trade entry. Gonna try to get a better price though. You gotta wait for it. If it gives it to me, there we go. That's a better price. 40, 42, only 2 points. Come on, give one more push. Take a piece off. De-risk this trade for me. De-risk this trade for me. No, come on, I had it. I had it. I had it. Don't go the other way. Don't go the other way. Be nice to me. Be nice to Daddy. De-risk this trade. Okay, I added, now I got my finger on the close button. If it actually just runs higher. I have a stop at 64, and we're so close. Call this every time I fucking try to get aggressive. Hey, I hit close there, senor. How close can you get to your stop without being stopped out? I think my stop was at 64, and I think it went to 63 3/4. I don't really know. I gotta watch the replay. I'm still fighting. Markets aren't making it easy on me, but I'm still fighting. I'm still fighting. 28, 40. I could sell at 40. A small piece right there. There we go. I'll just see what happens. If I can pull out a $50 bill on that, I'm happy. I got 70 on that. Okay. That was another very quick scalp. I can do it again. I can do it again. Still at 40. Oh, I have a trade here, but I'm only going to do it for a 2-lot. Oh, we're right on the previous day's close. Fuck it. Fuck it. Guys, if I nickel and dime my way back to green on this account, that's the accomplishment of the century. That's the comeback of the century. Because I think I took 5 $400 or $500 losses. So I was down like 2,400 on those big trades. Justifiably, and I'm allowed to trade that size. All is okay. It just didn't work out today. And then I'm nickel and diming using my scalping system, and I'm only down $350 after commission. I'm actually up 140 before commissions. So that's pretty impressive. And I've been really patient waiting for the good setups. That one I thought would get me, the last one. Thank God I escaped. Thank God I did a Houdini and got out of that one. It was a Houdini, I have to admit. I thought they would get me. I was like a quarter point away from getting stopped out. And I didn't really look, but because I'm not watching the dollars, but that stopped. There we go. There's the dump. There's the dump through the previous day's close. Now, what's next? Now, where are we going to go? Let's now look at the 15-minute. I don't know. What's the next level? Where is the next level that we started trading higher off of? I would say down here, the 18,300. I like to look at areas where we bounce and assume we'll bounce again. So we bounced over here. We bounced over here. This one was really the significant bounce. Or down here. So let's look at that trend line. Will that trend line hold? Let's make it small. And I'll do a couple of these here for you, for me, for you, for me. Let's mark in a couple of levels. These are the bounce levels. So Hopefully they'll stay on the chart for tomorrow for reference. Put this up here also. Very interesting. Interesting. Okay, let's get back onto our chart and see what we're looking at. Getting a bit of a bounce here. Off that dump, that was 819 down to 738. That was an 80-point dump when we finally did break the previous day's close. Not surprising. Do you guys notice that I'm not DCAing? Oh, I have a phone call. I'm excited. Hold on, guys. This is very annoying. Yeah, give me this. I'm back. I'm gonna do a stubborn thing here. We're above the bands on one of the charts, so I'm gonna keep adding into every pop. See how that goes. Most of the times when I do that, it just gets below the bands, just crosses the band. Somehow I'm always able to pick the turning points. But we'll see here. That's an entry for another piece. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll go back up to the previous day's close. Maybe. Whatever. I've proven to myself today that I could scalp with the best of them. And you know what? The best thing to do is maintain that recovery. Why throw it away after I've proven to myself that I can recover, right? Why throw it away? That would just be stupid. That would be stupid. That's like stupid. Is there another word for it? Moronic? So Yeah, let's wait for the next trade. Stop yawning. Let's wait for the next trade. The algo could soon go long bias. Although if we get a down candle to close, it's going to take a short trade, theoretically. It doesn't trade after 12 o'clock, so it's not going to take the trade, but the logic will trigger in. And you know what? I'm going to change the time, and I'll tell you why. Because I want to hear if my audio alert works. So bear with me. I'm going to change the time here. Edit strategy. The ending time is 11:55. We're going to make it 1:55 p.m. Okay, we're going to enable it. Now on the next... I missed it by a friggin' second. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Shit, damn. I wanted to hear the ding dong. $16. Really? I'm short at 17. Oh, this looks like a bad trade. And it got me out. Okay, that one lost. Okay, so it was a loser, but I wanted to catch the ding dong. Didn't catch it. We gotta stick away. Well, right now we are wicking the previous day's high and the most recent swing high. Do we close above it, or do we get pushed back down? There's 5 more seconds. Right now we got pushed back down pretty significantly, actually. Yeah, so that's a wick. Let's see what happens now. Depending on what this candle does, we might actually form a fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, so it might run here. You got the... Come on, want to chip away another $50 bill here? No! There we go! No! $88. Wow, there is a really good entry for me right here. I'll do it for a 3 lot because there's almost no risk on this trade. 88, I'm in at 75, 13 points. This is a very good trade. Come on, 80. Let me get $100 out of this. Let me get 100 bucks. Give me 100 bucks. Give me 100 bucks. Give me you fucker. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. I wanted 100 bucks. I was at 80. I should have taken it. I should have taken it. I'm nickel and diming my way back to life. I'm nickel and diming my way back to life, and this one's going to take money from me. You had plus 80. If I lose 50, that's a $130 swing. Come on, turn around, you fucking markets. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Ah, I have to get out. At least I got out on a little bit of a pop. Okay, let me check the balance, which I shouldn't be doing, but 314, down 314. I'm trying. One more swing at a bet. Better swing. 80 algo is gonna go long. No. It needs 2 bearish candles. Let's see what happens. Wow, you see how great it is that I take my losses? Look how these things dump. I love it. I love it. That's the that's really the key. That's changed everything. I used to hold too much. My losses were too big. I was allowing them to get out of hand. Now that I'm not allowing them to get out of hand, I won't say I'm invincible, but I'm invincible. I got to get a shirt that says I'm invincible. Just as long as I keep following my rules. That's all that matters. Keep following the rules. So what do I got to do now? Now I got to... hey, we're going to get the... we might get a trade on the algo. We'll hear if it goes ding-dong. We won't hear. I'll hear. You won't hear it. Okay, the 1 minute is long. You break a high of a previous 1 minute candle. That's a long. The algo's long. And top step is long. So why aren't I long for a 6 lot at a better price? Come on, give me that price. 48, and I should be long at 52. I don't care even if it stops me out because this is a good trade. This is a good trade. Just kind of keep. Looks like it's going to stop me up, but last time it looked like it was going to stop me up by a 1/4 point, and it didn't. My finger's on the close button. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. No, don't go, don't go. Don't go. Okay, at that, take me out. Shut up. Take me out. I want to reduce my risk. Pop up. Pop up. What the fuck? Shit, it didn't pop me out. Didn't pop me out. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now I'm in trouble. I know I'm in trouble. So I'm going to just sell 3 and see what happens on the other 3. If the other 3 go in my favor, I'll add again. But I think I'm going to get stopped out. So I'll wait for a signal. It's getting close to stop out. That's too bad because I was doing good. But you know what? I had such a good run scalping. And the edge isn't that big. So it's not a surprise that at lunchtime we start to get a few losers. And that was so damn close. But no. And that is it. I'm out. I'm out. Okay. Still think we have potential for an up move. The algo is long. The 1 minute chart is long. Do we have higher swing high? We have a higher swing high. We just came right back down to the previous day's close. Let's see what happens here at the previous day's close. Do we start to trade lower aggressively? It looks like it, eh? I think everything is kind of converting short here. I'll take a little 4 lot. Oh, 04, I'll add at 16. That's 17. I'm adding at the previous day's close, but we close below it. We can easily just shoot above it now. This is kind of kind of a dangerous trade. There are always dangerous trades when you're trading around a level like the previous day's close or something like that. I'm very uncomfortable in this trade. I'm really hoping we get down to 23 minus 14, 09. It doesn't look like it. I'm seeing strength in the markets. I'm thinking I gotta lower the size of this position. I'm gonna lower the size. Gonna lower the size. I got my 09, but it's, again, see, we went right back up. Went right back up. I'm glad that I was able to lower the size. And this trade I just noticed is stopped out. So there we go. Another loser. Okay, I'll wait for the right setup. Let's try selling right at the previous day's close and hope that we want to go lower. 16 down to 09. I want to see 09 bid. 09 bid. Come on, 09 bid. Shit, I think I had it. I should have had my buy limit in there. Buy limit 05. 09. I think I had it. See? Even though you don't see it, you get it. I should put them in, especially when it's fast like this. Look at that. The price wasn't even there, and you see how it gets hit? And I just noticed at 04 there's a trade, unfortunately for me. Don't get me twice on the big trades when I go for the bigger stops. You're making my life hard. You're really making my life hard, and I'm getting aggravated. You just made my day longer. Made my day longer. You know what? There might have been a bing boom, and I didn't even notice it. So it's too subtle. I think there was a ding dong. I think there was a ding dong, and I didn't even catch it. Remember, I was waiting to hear the sound on the algo. I'm gonna make another stand here. Watching the Renkos. Well, let's get up to the top there. Yeah, I am. In a minute. I'm waiting for Alex to come up. Meantime, I'm scalping. 11 is my minimum size. I'll show you on my sheet. So don't think I'm over trading. It's actually the minimum size on this account. Here's the sheet. I'll bring it up for you. Look, I'll even rip it so you'll know it's the right sheet. It's ripped. I'll show you the 11s. Give me a thumbs up that you saw that. I'm going to watch my show. See you soon. Sounds good. Anybody new in the room, hit the subscribe and the like button. As I'm trying to work my way. We have a higher swing high and a higher swing low. So be careful here because we might just be changing direction and breaking higher. Wouldn't be, maybe I wouldn't be shorting right here. I'm looking for a long. 1 minute is long for me. That was a beautiful entry right there. The algo I'm certain is long. Yes, it actually took a trade. It's true. I gotta go change the sound. I think it I think it beeped and I missed it. So which one is it? It is Reggie. Next. Oh, I don't even know which one I have back. I have to go and find out which one I want to use. Give me a sec. Give me a second. I bet a really good trade is gonna trigger while I'm checking. It's always the case. There's the long. Let's see if it goes. I'll let you know. Right now it's not doing so. It's alert 2. We're going to use alert 2. Cancel. I'm getting in for a much better price if I can, so I want to take it with my finger on the close button just in case it stops me out. Very close, and that's the stop out. Perfect. I tried. New strategy builder. So it's alert 2. It's going to try again. It looks like it. But I got in at a level that had almost no risk. Which I love that. I love those trades because those are like free trades right from the get-go. How can you ask for anything more than a trade that has almost no risk? Getting in right at the stop, yeah, the likelihood of you getting stopped out is high. But with the jiggling of the markets, oftentimes you can get out without even losing. Sometimes you even make money. Edit. Alert 2. Okay. And I think it's number 3. Yep. Edit. Alert 2. Okay, this one I'll hear. It's the same sound as the other one, but I'll figure it out. Compile. Hurry up. I have an entry. Move away. Move away. Yeah, you're going to wait till it goes away without me, eh? Okay. Close. Ooh, wow. Another great entry. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out again, but even if it does, it's a really good entry. Nah, I got out. It's not going. It's not going. We're right on the previous day's close and we're sucking it. And because I'm a continuation trader, we go up a little bit and then we just pull right back down to it. It's magnetized at this level here. Okay, took an aggressive trade there, assuming we would break lower based on experience. But the real trade is higher. This could be a bull flag, a 3-bar bull flag. I want to strategically turn green today, guys. Without breaking the rules. We need a break at a 1-minute candle. See it here. It's not the greatest retrace, but that is the break. Come on, go higher. Close. Close at 80, 65, 75. Close at 79. 79. I need to see 79 bid. I'm going to add again. 79, come on. 79. Trying. 79. 79. The buyers are trying to come in. Excellent. Got to lower my risk now on 7 points. 79. I want 86. 86, 86, 82, 83, 84. Fuck you. 81, 82, 81, 82, 83. Let's take 82. Filled me back in at 70. That's not bad. I'm watching it closely. Excellent. That's a trade. That's a trade. That's a trade, baby. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again if I'm given the opportunity. Not just anywhere. Let's get the low 70s. And then get the mid 80s. Maybe a lower size a bit. Let's go down to a 5 lot. We're going to run. We're going to run. I don't even have the previous day's close here. We're above it. We're going to run. I can smell it. I can smell it. But I still got to get a good price. The low 70s. Not the high 70s. 74. 71, 68. That's excellent. That's a good entry with my finger on the close button in case I get stopped out, and I'm stopped out. Shit. 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 I was hoping that wouldn't happen. Oh, wait. Markets like to do that, and then they like to go higher. They're not making it easy for me. I'm battling back. I'm battling back. Come on, one more. There we go. Take me out. Push it higher. Take me out. I have a long signal I can't even get out. I have a long signal that I want to respect. That's funny. 76. Can I get filled in the 70s? Or the 60s? I need to be long. I need to be long, but I need to be long at a good price. Not at any price. I'm working. My fingers are sore from clicking the buttons. What's the volatility? I don't even know. Maybe I'm wasting my time here. What's the volatility? 27 points. Oh no, I'm not wasting my time. Not if you got 27 points in the range of the 1 minute candles. Oh, there's an entry right there. Maybe not for a 12 lot, but certainly for a 5 lot. With a stop out. Watching it closely. Well, I didn't get such a good an entry. I thought I got a better entry. 70. Okay, that was $100. That was $100. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I got another entry. Shit, I missed it. That was 7 points. I got out. I didn't catch it. I could have held for another 7 points without even getting out. I'll go to a 2 lot if I can get filled at 79. 79, 77, 78. That's better. I'm filled at 78. Let's get to 87. 83, 84, 85, 86. Good enough for me. Take me out. That's a little bit. Every time, a little bit. You know what happens when you get a whole bunch of little bits? It becomes a lot of bit. A lot of little bits is a lot of bit. I want to do this. I want to do this. This will be a fucking accomplishment if I can get this back from chipping away. I tried a couple of times when I swung a heavier bat and it didn't work out for me. I gotta get... you see, I'm a little slow there. See, I always need to be prepared. Oh, shut up. That's... I missed a good entry. I missed a really good entry. Could have been a good $100 and some odd there. Another 100 something. I don't want to FOMO into this, so I took my hand off the mouse. Let it go. You know what? If it goes and then it retraces, it's just going to be a better entry. That's all. What are we doing over here? This is probably giving some interesting entries. Definitely. This is worth a 3 lot based on what I'm seeing. I'll get out if we close below. If this candle closes bearish, I'm out. If it closes bullish, I'll add. I'm on by the bid. Come on. There we go. I'll add. Now I want to see at least one more bullish candle. Don't do that. Don't give me a single. Be nice. Play nice. I'm going to have to get out. Fuck off. Fuck off. No continuation. Now we gotta wait. Now we gotta wait. Not getting continuation. Let's see if we bounce off this trend line here. We got that swing low. Probably will wick it. And if we trade aggressively through it, then we're probably gonna go down to the previous day's close, which is that black dashed line. I'm still trying. I'm still trying. I'm still trying. I'm nickel and diming my way, trying to climb my way out of the pool, so to speak. I got back 80%. Fortunately, every time I try with like a decent size, the markets just don't want to play ball with me. There's no continuation. So we're gonna close most likely below the swing low, but now we're hemmed in with the previous day's close. So looks like we're pretty much trading. What is it? It's control F12 if I remember. Pretty much trading inside this box here. You break out a little bit above it, you come back down, break out below it, you come back up. And for my style of trading, makes it a little tough. I mean, it is bearish. You're looking at the 5-minute. This is just kind of a consolidation. We're under VWAP. We're below the initial balance low. It is quite bearish. Are we going to bounce here off the previous day's close? Or are we going to see momentum to the downside? If I go short, we bounce. So I'm not going to go short. It's always like that. And if I don't go short, well, then it does something random. Wow, it's so close to green twice. So close to green twice. We're going to get the second consecutive close under. How's the, oh, look at that. Okay, the algo switched to short. This could be the bounce. Second candle there. I'm going to take a short and see. That's a good risk because if that candle closes bullish, I can get a... Oh, no, really? One more? Okay, we got to wait one more. I'm on the close button. And that's it. Out. Didn't work. Okay, I'm in a little bit of a losing sequence now. Most important thing right now is just not to form opinions, just trade the charts. Don't say we're going to bounce off it. Don't say we're going to go below it. Just trade the charts. Everything is kind of bearish. Not kind of bearish. Algo is bearish. The 1 minute charts are... wait a minute. Yeah, we got to close. My 1 minute charts are bearish. We need to close now below the 1 minute candle. I'll just wait for something to trigger. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. I'm getting tired, guys, so I think it's soon time to call it quits. Because once the brain gets tired, we start to make trading mistakes, and I've been trading pretty exceptionally well today. Really waiting for my setups. Waiting for them to trigger, not getting in early. Actually, most of the time, it's trying to get better prices, which is very impressive. Which is why I guess I did so well today. Again, my main trades, my A++ setups took 7 trades today. 5 of them were losers, unfortunately. And I traded them a little bit aggressive. Oh, shit. You see? I shouldn't be out. Call this. Let me see if I can get a better trade, a better entry. Ah, fuck off. I shouldn't be out. I read the chart wrong. Okay, my mistake. I read the chart wrong. I shouldn't have been out. I forgot what I was saying anyways. Ah, really? That was the wrong one. That was the wrong alert. What was that? Boo-boo. No. Alert 2. Alert 2. Not boo-boo. It's supposed to be alert 2. Fuck. What's going on today? Shit, damn. Nothing is kind of working out for me. I got a little bit of a recovery there. Futures floor. Where is this strategy? Next. Number 9. Edit. Okay, so alert 2 is fine. It's boop, boop. What was the ding dong? The ding dong. Ah, what an idiot. What an idiot. Anyways, I'll let it go. I had to reset the thing. My fault. Excellent. Let's pull out a $50 bill over there. Oh, shit, really? Just joking. Sounds good. I'm glad they're good. That's funny. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, now we're waiting for a setup again. You know what? Maybe I should accept the loss on that account. Should I take a pull? Let's take a pull. Really, what just happened? The market isn't pre-open at 1 o'clock. We're getting a spike. Getting a spike. Whoa, look at that. I got caught on one like that. This is just the algo on Sim 101, so no big deal. That was exciting. What just happened at 1 o'clock? It's 1 fucking o'clock already? Let's see what people say. Wow, that was an up and a down. This is a good time to start making money. The spread, though, has to go under 1. There we go. Got under 1. That was an odd spike. Okay, when this candle closes, the take profit and the stop loss lines will be removed. And I'm probably going to get a short signal. I hope it works out. Gonna wait for it to trigger. The algo is short. The 1 minute chart is short, albeit that spike was pretty crazy. And my top step charts are short. So either we're going to reverse, but we're under previous day's high, which is giving me room to run to the previous day's close. That's that dash black line that you see over here. And we're back inside that little blue box. So let's see. I'm going to try and get a better price. I don't know if that's a better price. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that fucking bar. Give me that fucking bar. There we go. Did I turn it green? Cocksucker. No. Shit la mard. Shit la mard. Shit la mard. I thought I turned it green on that. But I do have a trade at 28 for a short size for 3. 28 plus 12 is 40. Can I get 40? 35, 37, 41. There we go. 40. This has about 10 points on the stop. Let's see. Come on, let's get down to 28. 28 bid. I'll take 28 bid. 34, 31, 29, 25. Booyah, 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 booyah. If anybody said yes, I should quit, they were wrong. I'm making a comeback. This is it. This is the moment. I told you. It all happened so quick. It all happened so quick. Whoo! I'm one trade away from making the greatest comeback of all time. I'm one trade away, so we're not going to get hasty. We are going to wait for that setup. 16 plus 12 is 28. How about a two lot at 28 or higher? 27. Ah, shit. No, cancel. Ah, fuck. That's not 28 or higher. There's too much risk on this trade, and I don't want to add. I'm not adding because I'm too close to turning green. I'll add if I get a short signal. I'll bail if I get stopped out. Stop is at 24, 30, 40. I'm hoping I can add, because if I can add, if we can go down, come on. Ah, you fucker. What am I short at? 23, 30, 14, 16. I'm going to add at 16, believe it or not. If we can get down to 16 on the offer. That's where I add. This is exciting. Look, either way, this day was a great day. Now I get to add a little bit higher. 37 to 23. Every time I try to add, it just continues to go. This looks like it's going to stop me out. Stop me out. Hey, thank God. That was a great stop. That's how you want to get stopped out. Let's see what that cost me. $22. $22, nothing. If I quit now, it's the equivalent of being down 4-1 in a hockey game and getting into overtime. That's if I quit now. I get my point. Ah. Come on, where's your fucking cursor? One, two, even better. So I go for the win. If I leave, I get my 1 point. You know, 1 point in overtime. But if I continue trying, no. You know what, guys? I'm gonna say yes to the poll. I can't even vote, and I'll tell you why. End poll. I'll tell you why. Because if I go back into drawdown, I'm gonna hate myself. But if I go green, I don't think I'm going to get much more satisfaction than what I got now, because I already performed a miracle and a half. I do have an entry, very low risk entry for a one lot, if I can get it. Hold on. $20. I got to get 28 or better. 26, 23, 25, 23, 18. I would have had 10 points already. It did offer me 28 or better, but I wasn't paying attention. Well, we continue waiting. Markets jiggle and jaggle. Wiggle, zig and zag. 26. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go down. Don't want to have a two lot, just want to have a one lot on this trade. I'm short at 24. No good. I got to get out. Sorry, I wanted 28. Still added a little bit, but I wanted 28 and didn't notice I had 24. Now it's down at Look at that. 02. Oh well. Oh well. Now we're back up at 22. Now I have another great trade again. It's so funny. 16, 20. 20 is a good trade. 1975. This one will stop me out, though, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure this one will stop me out. There we go. Stop me out. Got to get at 42 bucks. Yuck. 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 Okay. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. Looks like it wants to run higher, which is making me hesitant, but I have a very low risk trade here. I have a 6-point trade. 6-point risk. I'm tempted to take it. I'll take it for a 1 lot. If I can get in before it stops out, I'll take it. With my finger on the close button. If I can get... That's it. It's out. It's out. I lost $9. Yeah, there you go. Nothing to complain about. Yeah, lost 11 actually, I guess, with the commissions. I'm trying. We have a higher swing high right here. I mean, that's a stupid swing high. It was just a nonsensical move. Look at this sideways action. Why is this over here still trading inside this box? Properties. I'm being stubborn. I'm being stubborn. Sometimes you pay the price when you're stubborn. I really want to reflect inside right now before I take the next trade. I want to reflect because I know I'm being stubborn. How angry am I going to be if it goes south on me? Because we don't know if the trade's going to win. How angry am I going to be? I'm going to be furious. I already feel like I have a win under my belt. So whether I turn it green or not, I mean, let me just show you the P&L here. That's the sim. That doesn't count. It's this one here. Sims never count. Sim is the algo. It's the apex. It's down $83. I was down $2,500, just to let you know. So I really think it's quitting time, but I am going to get another entry. But the problem is, look where we are. We're in the blue box, and we're right on previous day's close. How about a small one? Not going to make things worse or better. A small trade. Let's try and figure out which way. That's long, that's short. That's short. That's longish. I think the entry is long. Come on, push up 50. Okay, that was like a $30 bill. I'll try one more if I'm given the option. Price is pretty jiggity. Ooh, there, I'm giving the option. What just happened? No, that was it. That was it. I had it. Take me out. Take me out. I had it. 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 Let me go for a 2-lot. The 2-lot. Come on, give me a better price. 2-lot will do it even. I don't want to take too much risk. 44, I'm long at 42. I stop out at 30. Let's get up to 51. There we go. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. I'm $2 away from turning it green. I just want to turn it green by 2 cents. I'm trading the balance. I shouldn't be trading the balance. Whoo! We go down to a 1-lot. Shit, damn. This could be expensive. I don't like it. I'm in the wrong direction, sort of. Not really. I'm half in the wrong direction. One is short, one is long. I have to get out. Okay, back down to 30. 30 is easy. It's 15 points. I can make 15 points on a 1-lot. And here's the deal. I'm going to get back in because this guy is long. I'm going to get back in. I'm going to watch. The stop is 52 minus 24. You guys figure what that is. That's 28. 28 stop. I think I can get 20 bucks on this. And if we get a long signal, let me switch to this chart also. We got to get all the guns blazing. Oh, no, it stopped me out. That's what I said. Okay. Now I'm probably down 50. That was so close. Now I have lots of short biases, but do I go short right on the previous day's close? No way. No, that would just be stupid. You can see a pretty aggressive move up off the previous day's close. Let me see, what are we? We're short, and we're short, and we're short. Yep, we're short. We got to be thinking short. We got to be thinking short. Okay, 25. It's crazy. This is almost like trying to pass an eval, you know, when you're down in the end and you don't want to cause any damage. All I really got to do is just take a normal trade with a normal setup. That's all I got to do. And it's going to be a short trade. Let me see. Is the algo just went long. Woo! Woo! Yeah, what to do? What to do? There's only one thing to do, is to wait. Wait till something looks clear. Clear, clear, clear. I am going to get this. Sorry, I worked very long for this. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this, and I'm going to get this responsibly, logically, taking trades that are real trades. The algo is long. I'll go long with the algo. Come on, algo, give a push. The algo's going to get me over. Watch it. The algo's going to get me over. There we go. 24 cents. He makes it. He makes it by 24 cents. The algo gets me over the line. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Looky, 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 looky. I am quitting. Goodbye. That was fun. I don't think I want to be here anymore. Goodbye. I'll see you. Let the algo close out the trade. There we go. Okay. I will see you. I'm not streaming tonight with the Joker, the co-stream. I have a commitment and engagement. So, I'll be back tomorrow morning. And then we should be streaming Tuesday evening with the Joker. With the Joker trades. Okay, guys, have a good day. That was fun. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I got myself to green. Do you even see it? I don't even know. You don't even see it. You didn't see my battle. I thought you guys were seeing my battle. Hold on, let me change it. There you are. I got it to green. I was showing you my screens. Okay, so let me flip it. That's the greens. That's the red, but it's the sim. Sim means it's the algo. The algo trades, the reflex algo trades on sim. I did trade the opening drive algo on the Bulenox account. So sim doesn't count. That's the Bulenox account. The reflex the opening drive algo made money today for me. And I brought back this account from the depths of hell. Nickel and diming, scalping my way, following my signals, being disciplined, and it proved to be fantastic. What hurt me was taking my A+ setups, 5 out of 7 of them. I said it a bunch of times today. 5 out of 7 lost. The 6th one I missed because I was distracted, and the 7th one was just over VWAP. It was a short, made me nervous, and I didn't get the profit from it. So kind of like 4.5 losers on my A+ setups, and I hit them, with decent size. So maybe 12 micros. I don't remember exactly. Maybe more, maybe less, but I know I hit them for larger size than normal. And they were all losers, so it put me in the hole. And my scalping, which is super strong. As long as I follow the rules, I kill it with my scalping. So that's the reason why I wanted to get the green. I wanted to prove it one more time. Follow the rules, take your stop losses. Just keep swinging the bat, swinging the bat, swinging the bat, and you're going to hit singles and doubles and get those runs in, which is what I did. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks for showing up. Hit the subscribe and the like button. I'm going to try and get out a video maybe today if I have time. I'm also going to try and spend some time with my family and take care of some other shit I got to do tonight. And see you tomorrow morning. Thanks. Bye.